There are multiple perfumers who claim to be able to recreate a perfume scent after just one whiff, including Muhammad Al-Masri, Dr. Yusuf Madappan, Yusuf Bhai, and in Indian-administered Kashmir Jaffar Bhai is also famous for making same perfume by just one whiff. Dozens of customers flock daily to his tiny store. Creating your own perfume that resembles expensive brands involves a combination of understanding fragrance notes, selecting high-quality ingredients, and experimenting with blends. More and more people have started making their own perfumes using essential oils because they are not only safe, as long as you use 100% pure essential oils from a trusted seller, but they also offer you the opportunity to create your own signature fragrance, which will suit both your taste and the unique natural scent of your skin.